back to 20 car. It does not simply drive, it ascends. The 2025 Lexus LX Concept is a study in paradox, a machine sculpted for dominion yet draped in an elegance that belies its raw capability. From its spindle grille, now more pronounced and illuminated, to the razor-edged LED signatures slicing through the darkness, every angle exudes a presence both commanding and impossibly graceful. Rolling on 22-inch forged alloys, it stands as a monolithic sculpture of movement, prepared to traverse empires at a moment's notice. Step inside, and the world outside dissipates. A panoramic OLED dashboard, trimmed in Japanese Kiriko glass, flows like a silk tapestry, housing an AI-driven interface that anticipates your every need. The Takumi-crafted seats, hewn from semi-aniline leather, offer climate-controlled respite, while an immersive Mark Levinson audio suite transforms every journey into a private symphony. Powering this sovereign chariot is a twin-turbo V6 hybrid, delivering a breathtaking 0-100 kilometers height in 5.8 seconds, rivaling contenders like the Range Rover Autobiography and Mercedes-Benz GLS. A reinforced torsion differential and adaptive air suspension craft an off-road ballet, where rock, sand, and snow dissolve beneath the LX's sovereign stride. Ownership is a covenant of prestige. Lexus's 10-year reliability index and advanced driver assistance suite ensure longevity, yet its resale value, like all luxury behemoths, faces natural depreciation. But to those who command this colossus, concerns of value fade beneath the allure of unbridled power and luxury.